Hi everyone, welcome to Benzene 66. Today we are going to discuss Aufbau principle, that is N plus L rule. Aufbau is a German word, meaning of that is building up. That gives you the order of filling electrons in an atom. Electrons are filled in an atom in the increasing energy order of the subcells and not according to the cell numbers. Increasing energy order of the subcells can be found by using N plus L rule, where N is the principal quantum number and L is the secondary or azimuthal quantum number. Values of L are for S subcell it is 0, for P subcell it is 1, for D subcell it is 2, for F subcell it is 3, for G it is 4, for H it is 5 and so on. We'll take a simple example to find out that N plus L rule. For 4D, the value of N plus L is 4 plus 2, that is 6. For 5S, it is 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. By N plus L rule, the energy of 5S will be less than that of 4D. That means 5S is placed before 4D orbital. The increasing order of energy for various sets of subcell can be remained by using a simple trick. To remind increasing energy order of subcells, you have to remind SSP, SPS, DPS, DPS, FDPS, FDPS, GFDPS, GFDPS, then HGFDPS, HGFDPS and so on. There is going on in that way. I'm reminding once again, it is SSP, SPS, DPS, DPS, FDPS, FDPS, GFDPS and so on. Now we have to do the numbering of various subcells. For that you just have to write 1 is to be written once, 2 is to be written twice, 3 is to be written thrice. Do not forget to remind that one cell can have only one S, one P, one D or any other orbitals. That cannot be twice for any of the cell. So while writing the cell numbers, leave the subcells that already been considered. That means the sequence will be with the n values is going to be 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, then 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d, 7p, 8s and so on. You can also see the interesting group of number to the sets. As for SSP, it is 1, 2, 2. For SPS, it is 3, 3, 4. Now after that, you can see for DPS, it is 3, 4, 5. For next DPS, it is 4, 5, 6. For FDPS, it is 4, 5, 6, 7. For next FDPS, it is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. Then for GFDPS, it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And for next GFDPS, it is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So move on and try to write the electronic configuration of one hypothetical atom having atomic number 150. The symbol is UPN and the name is unpent nilium. How that is written, we'll discuss about it in the later videos. Now you can see the answer on the screen. So match your answer when you have written the electronic configuration. For the last subcell, the electronic configuration is displaying on the screen. For writing the electronic configuration, you also have the concept of Hund's rule and Pauli's exclusion principle. That is explained in my next videos. Learn more about these principles there. Also check out description to find how the naming and the symbols are given to newly discovered elements by IUPAC. I think this video will help you to write the correct electronic configuration of the elements and also made your concepts regarding N plus L rule and Aufbau principle very clear. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe Benzene 66.